Pretty simple ingredients. If you have a stocked pantry or door of the fridge, a lot of these ingredients come from the door of your fridge and a spice cabinet. So, half a cup of mayonnaise, and I love to mix dressings, sauces in these glass measuring cups. It's such a good kitchen tool. If you don't have these, highly recommend getting a 3-pack. It comes with a 4-cup, a 2-cup, and a 1-cup. We need a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I think a lot of coleslaw dressings just use mayonnaise, but adding that sour cream kind of cuts that mayonnaise flavor, balances things out. Such a good addition. Of course, my tablespoon is dirty. We're gonna add in a little extra tang with 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. I think you could also use an apple cider vinegar here, would work too. Then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna roll this one because I only have 1 lemon in this kitchen and I need to get all the juice out of this. I feel like I got that really juiced up. So I'm gonna squeeze this in here and then I'm gonna pour it through my fingers because I do see 3 seeds in there that I can just catch with my fingers. That is a juicy lemon, juicy Lucy. I think that's actually a hamburger from Minnesota. If you know, put it in the comments below. What's a Juicy Lucy? All right, now we're gonna do 1.5, I've got to double check, nope, 3/4 teaspoon of celery salt. There's celery seed and there's celery salt. We're using celery salt for this recipe. Now we're gonna balance everything out with a little sugar. We want 3 tablespoons of just a white sugar added in there. Finally, we're gonna do a dash of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we're just gonna get this all stirred up, and I am actually gonna use a whisk so that it gets nice and smooth, that there's no lumps left in there. There we go. Ooh, that looks delicious. Now at this point you can absolutely taste your dressing to see if you want more salt, if you want, oh, it's so good. It's sweet, it's tangy. That celery salt is really pronounced. We're gonna get this in the fridge and it will be good to go for serving. Let me know in the comments what you would serve your coleslaw with.